at like 6. Baby.
Ooh, caught it. Fumbled it into my man's hands. Shut the door behind you, honey.
Hey guys, guess what?
Yeah.
When Mom's done doing this,
Yeah.
we're gonna put the fireplace in here.
Wait, the one that like changes colors?
Yes.
I know.
Fun for everyone.
Yes. Now it'll be warm up here.
Okay, I'm doing I think it's my third coat of skim coat on the fireplace. I wasn't super happy with the way my last coat turned out. I think the plaster dried too I think the plaster dried too fast and I started to get clumps and it was making these streaks. So we just sanded the whole thing down and I'm doing one more coat and then we're gonna wax it.
We might need to, do an auger bed.
It is thick, honey.
Do you have a stir stick?
We did. Must have got my Hank's teaching June how to open a paint can here.
Put it on this side.
All the way back. There you go. Right? Oh, you guys got it.
How much do you want?
Do you want help? Oh my gosh.
No. Can I wash your car? Do you want me to wash your car? Okay, I'll wash it. I can wash it.
Before it was smooth with just some uprisings, but going over it like this, it looks like I'm adding more of that stone. So instead of just doing more of a flat gray, it's adding more of a stone type.
Yeah. Hey, you guys are gonna help me wash this, you know. Ew. I like this one the best. I love that.
No, I love
Oh, I
mine.
love my dad. Got it? Yeah.
Jordan and the kids are moving the Airstream. Oh, there's my boys. They're so cute. So Jordan is gonna move that from over between the shipping container and the tree pile to the side of the shop since we're now moved up into the bunkhouse, sleeping in there while we work on the weekends. The trailer is just a little too cold to be in there at night now. And then we're gonna move the porta potty over too because we don't have a bathroom yet. Look at Hank, he's so cute directing his dad. Oh my gosh, that's the sweetest thing. Jordan's giving him directions or lessons on how to teach someone to back in. Now is Jordan gonna let Hank help him back this one into position? Nice.
He's the cutest down there, right?
Oh, for sure. And I know who the cutest up here is. Me. You're just kidding. Of course you're the cutest. With yogurt all over your face, you're still adorable. I have completed the front of this. It looks really good. I'm really happy with it. I've moved on to the left-hand side. I've applied it all. I'm gonna go through and do that little smear technique that I was doing earlier where I kind of let it dry almost all the way and then knock down the peaks. I love you, honey. Be good, be careful, be kind. I just have to do this side, which actually looks really good, but might as well just make it even.
Your mom's up there working, you can't see her, but I haven't quite moved this porta potty all the way.
Hank's gonna ride the bike down, you can see that. But he is making a stack of to it. You can see that. He's shoveling right now.
Here he comes.
Go, hey, go, hey. He's the best one in the world. Really, he is.
Good job, Hank.
Baby.
Good job.
Okay, we're gonna install this dusty, crusty little fireplace. So Jordan is going to install that fireplace. We're gonna measure out our TV space to see if we got too big of a TV. Jordan bought a 70-inch when I thought we agreed on a 65-inch, but I guess that's just men for you.
In order to install the fireplace, I know from last time we kind of dry fitted in there that I have to sawzall a 1/16 of an inch off at each side because the fireplace has these rounded screw heads on every side that add about a 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch. So I just got to open it up a little bit so we're not reaming on it to get in there. So I need to cut out a little hole here because the plug actually has to go through here, wrap around and plug in from the outside. And that's the doghouse back there. I don't have my paddle bit deal with me, so I'm just gonna use the trusty old sawzall, cut a little hole. There's our ghetto hole, but hey, it'll work. Okay, so let's see if this fits as is. I kind of don't think this is gonna fit. There, hopefully it covers, if not.
Okay, I can set this down.
Still tight.
Nice. Here.
There we go.
That's good. Cool, babe.
Dude, that's in.
For a second. Oh, there we go. Ah! Okay, that's nice. Oh, love it. My gosh, this is our bedroom. Oh,
Epic.
oh, I love it.
Epic.
This color is sweet.
But look at it, it's built in, like it's gonna be.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is so cool.
It's definitely like cave. It's like a den.
It's gonna be a den feel. I think it's gonna
You have a soundproof ceiling.
Watching that.
We can't eat
Why
that.
are you so crazy?